Hi, good day, everybody. My name is Christopher Calloway, and here's our video for the day: Pirates and Prices. This game we're going to explain now is about a game we made a long time ago, but we made it into our own personality genius of our ideas. Now, we're going to talk about that game right now. Let's go into the system, baby. Now, in order to make this game, you gotta make it a little stylish by drawing a square with it, saying Pirates and Prices game, like a cinematic action. Then you also put a level game there. Then we begin. If you want to make it a level game, fine, let's do it. Print level 1. Let's find some good treasure. Then print you don't know what to use. Now it's like a story. You don't know what to use. Pirate transportation. Input. Let's use boat, ship, or swim. Now you have to choose. Which one should we choose? If the pirate transportation equals to swim, you get eaten by an alligator. If you use a boat, Loch Ness monster it eats you up. But if you use ship, you survived those monsters. Goodbye, monsters. You already found ship. You don't know what to turn. The turn is left or right. If turn is left, you are dead meat. But if you turn right, you survived. Now you don't know which path to go. Path to throw. Cross or around. You cross, you're saved. If you're around, land shark it will eat you up like a landscape. So delicious. You don't know the door. Which door should I go to then? If it's yellow, eaten by a kraken. Purple, octopus. Orange, piranha. Blue, alligator. Red, shark. Green, you found the treasure. Black, purple. You get eaten by a Loch Ness monster. You have come back to the island to open the treasure. You have once so. Now, let's go to another one. You don't know what to use. This is another level, just know. I'm repeating it. Let's find treasure. You don't know what to use. Let's use boat, ship, or swim. They'll choose swim, boat, or ship. Now, this one is different. This time I've done it according to color. So that means if it's blank, you found the treasure and you've come back to the island to open the treasure. But level 3, if it's yellow, you found the treasure. Now for level 4, if you do it blank, you found the treasure. But let me see what level 5 is. Level 5, if it's red, you found the treasure. Now level 6. I love this one. Level 6, if you find the treasure, the door you use is blank. You get. Now, the door you use for level 7 will be purple. Level 8, you'd use green. Now, level 9 door will be blank. Now, level 10 door will be yellow! You found the treasure. Now let's run the program to see what we've done so far. If you're a pirate, you can solve this puzzle immediately. Ship. I already know what to choose. Left. Round. Nope, cross. Across. You don't know the door. Green. Shift left. Shift left cross. Left. Oh, dang, I got it. Then, which door again? Look at the code. Blank. 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 Let me just use this for the rest of the game. And voila! Here's our game of pirates and prices. Yo ho ho! And now it's time to end with a special greeting. Now I am zooming back to my original self, and you see the real me. Yeah. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a very fun game, and also you should try making your own game, but expanded, wide ideas. Now your assignment is to make me a pizza shop. Your assignment is to make a pizza shop. I'll write it down in the description. Now, if you mind, I'll see you in the next video. Be a cowboy. See you soon. See you in my channel. We'll see you next time.